and welcome back to my channel. I'm Andy. Today is a little bit of a different video because I was getting ready to put this beautiful style on and then I stopped and I thought, you know what? I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to show you exactly what I do to make a wig my own and get it to where I enjoy it. So stick with me and we're going to do an unboxing on this beautiful style, Waves and Raves, in the color Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato. Before I move on to the video part where I do the unboxing, I want to start off and thank TL Wigs for sending me this beautiful style, Waves and Raves. It is a style that I have been wanting to try since it was released, so I am so excited to have one, and in this beautiful color, Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato. We also invite you to join us on the Facebook support group for TL Wigs. It is a private and a very active Facebook support group. The owner of TL Wigs, Tracy, is very generous with sales and giveaways. You're also going to be able to ask questions if you have questions about wearing wigs or different styles. It's a great place to be, so we hope to see you there. Also, if you'd like to get yourself a Waves and Raves, you can go down in the description box below, right below this video. I will have a link that you can click that'll take you directly over to TL Wigs. You can click that link, use the code ANDY in the notes section at checkout, and you're going to be able to get a gift card as a way for TL Wigs to say thank you for your order. And I will also include a link to that Facebook support group as well. I took the tag off, but I haven't turned it right side out. I haven't put it on. This is a beautiful style. It's a very popular style. So I just want to take this Waves and Raves in Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato out of the box, put it on my head, and show you what I do if you like a little bit of volume in your styles. I'm going to show you what I do to get the style that I enjoy. So like I said, I've not even turned this right side out. I want to show you the cap before I do that. And we have an extended lace front that goes down into the ear tabs. We have a nice size monofilament top, so this is all hand tied here, but we also have hand tied panels all the way around here. And then we have closed wefting in the back, and the closed wefting in the back adds stability and some durability to the cap. Also something nice on this mono top, how it runs into the lace front. There is no seam there. And so a lot of times when you have a part, sometimes you will be able to see that little seam. And so they really did a nice job with that in making that a seamless transition. And with those silicone ear tabs, if you don't have hair, that's going to adhere straight onto your skin. You don't need to use any adhesive, but that is able to be removed. You just need to use a little seam ripper or something, and you can remove the nape as well as the ear tabs if you don't like the silicone. I don't mind it, and I have hair. So you also have an extended nape, and we have Velcro adjusters. And I know that my Velcro adjusters are going to need to be pulled in because Raquel Welch wigs typically fit me rather large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. All my head measurements are down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and turn this right side out, but it is a really nice cap. And let me see how the stretch is in it. Because of the hand tying, you're not getting a whole lot of stretch. So I actually might take my adjusters out just a little bit more, just because there's not that much stretch in this. Okay, so this is where I have my adjusters with my 21¼ inch head circumference. So let's see how this fits. Okay, now this is what I do with all of my wigs. I always take it by the nape, never by the lace. You always take it by the nape. So right here, and I'm going to shake it. Give it several good shakes. You want to wake those fibers up. It's been sitting in the box for a little while. And then I take it and I rake it. So it's called shake and rake. You want to rake those fibers away from the cap. And just saying, it's time to wake up. I want to wear you today. Okay. So I'm going to take it by the nape now. And I'm going to take my forehead and I'm going to try to aim it for right in the middle part of my forehead here. And then pull it back over your wig grip. Okay. Then I'm going to flip it up. This is such a pretty color. I just reviewed this in Cruise Control. And it's just a really pretty bright color. Very pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to adjust it. I think I have it pretty even actually. You want to make sure your ear tabs are even. And then let's look at the lace front and pull it back. Yep, that's good. Okay, look at that. It's actually really pretty straight from the box, isn't it? I'm just going to get some water. I've got a water bottle here. And I'm just going to spritz it down with some water. And I've got a wide tooth comb. This is heat defiant, so you never want to use a brush on heat defiant. You can use a wide tooth comb, and I might just gently comb it a little bit, but not much. These pretty waves, I don't really want to disturb these waves. It is just so pretty. Just part it over here. This is a full mono top, as I showed you, so you can part this wherever you want. You can part it in the middle or the right, and it will always look like your scalp. There you go. Okay, so this was actually a really easy style to just get out of the box and just, see how pretty it is. This really doesn't need a whole lot of work. It doesn't have like a face flop or anything like that. You have a 4.5-inch bang here, which they call it an eyelash bang, that, you can keep it down like this, or you can pull it up off your face with a little bit of training, probably just with the heat of your hand. You can train that to go up. It's pretty both ways. But you can just get in there. I'll just kind of loosen those waves up a little bit. So you can see there's no products in Raves and Waves here. It's just really a pretty style. Let me turn around and let you see this from all sides. But it is a chin length bob, which is these really pretty soft waves. And like I mentioned, this has become a really popular style. It was released fairly recently. These Featherlight fibers really are very lightweight. They're easy to work with. They are heat friendly. They are hollow in the middle. They move very naturally. And this Luxe Light 2 cap, which is very, very comfortable on my head. It feels like I don't have anything on my head. This weighs 3.1 ounces, just very lightweight and kind of a wispy texture to the fibers. And I would consider this to be a lower density wig, especially for a Raquel Welch wig, because there's no permatease in it, but there is a nice amount of fiber. Now, I like big hair, but if you like a lower density look, I'm just going to smooth it down and just show you how pretty it is. I'm just using my fingers, kind of raking it through. So if you like a lower density look there, really pretty, just like that. Just a very natural, realistic style. And I love Raquel Welch because they are very generous with their fibers. So you can kind of get a nice full body look. It's not flat hair by any means, because you do have the waves, but you do have a good bit of fiber in it. But because this is a chin length bob, you are not going to be having the rubbing up on the fibers like you would if it were a longer heat-friendly style. And you do have these longer pieces here. I'm trying to see if that gives a little bit of a angled look there. But you do have some longer pieces here in the front, which, look here, you can just kind of put that behind your ear. You can trim those if you don't like them that long. When I do a wig review, I try to remember to show you the stock photo. So here is the stock photo for Waves and Raves, so you can see what it looks like on me compared to the stock photo. Just a really pretty style. Let's go over the measurements. We do have that 4.5-inch eyelash bang. Like I mentioned, you can leave it down, which I think is really pretty like that. Or you've got that really beautiful Raquel Welch lace front. By the way, let me show you that lace front. Very pretty, ear to ear, so it runs down into the ear tabs. The sides are 8 inches. The crown is 9 inches. The nape is 4 inches. And like I said, this only weighs 3.1 ounces. It is really lightweight and comfortable on my head. And this is a hand-tied cap. You do have the closed wefting in the back, but because this is a hand-tied cap, You can part this anywhere you want, and it's going to look just like your scalp. And also, if the wind blows, you're not going to have to worry about wefts showing. So I think that this would be a very flattering look for a lot of people. Let me show you what it looks like with both ears tucked. That's pretty, isn't it? You have to get your hands in your wigs. You have to get them in there and make them more lifelike. When they have been sitting in that box for so long, you cannot expect to get the wig out of the box, put it on your head, and for it to be lifelike and beautiful and realistic. You have to get your hands in them and make them your own. Let's talk about this beautiful color, Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato. The number code on this is RL, which means heat defiant. Anytime you see RL in a Raquel Welch wig color, that means it is heat defiant. So it's RL 1723SS. I'm going to get in a little closer, but you have some sandy blonde shaded with cool blonde, just a really gorgeous color. It's a cool color, and we have a medium dark brown root. And actually the wind has died down and it is still cloudy, but I think you can get a really good idea of this pretty color. I wanted to share something very special to me with you today, and that is something that was my mother's. And my mom passed away back in August of 2000. She and I were best of friends, and I still miss her every day. But I wanted to share something that I have of hers that I cherish. It is about 35 to 40 years old, and it is this beautiful hand-knit sweater. I'm going to stand up just so you can see it a little bit better. But it is from Ireland, and it was a gift to my mother for Christmas, and it really is, I think, about 35 or 40 years old. I was trying to think this morning how long she had it before she passed away. But it is the only article of clothing I have of her, so it is very special to me. For the longest time that I had this sweater, I could smell it, and I could actually smell my mom. It seemed like for years that I could do that. And I know if you've lost anybody that was special to you and you kept their clothes, you probably remember that too. It has faded away over the years. I've had it, for 25 years. But it just is such a special way for me to remember her. And I'm going to do some shopping today, so it's kind of like my mom is going shopping with me. And I look at my YouTube channel as not being a way just for me to review wigs or show you different makeup tips, but it's also a way for me to share little tidbits of my life with you, but also with my family and my posterity. And so hopefully this is a sweater that will be passed down to my daughter and to my granddaughter as a way to remember my mother. And especially at Christmas, she was the best Christmas gift giver. She was always so thoughtful. And, I miss her a lot, but especially at Christmas, I seem to really miss her even more. I'm going to give you one last spin of this before I leave, just so you can see it from all the way around. It is just a really pretty, very natural looking, soft wave, chin length bob, heat-friendly fibers, beautiful cap, hand-tied cap. You can go down in that description box if you would like to get yourself one. Click that link that'll take you over to TL Wigs. Use the code Andy in the notes section at checkout, and they're going to send you a gift card as a way to say thank you for your order. Thank you for joining me today for this review of Waves and Raves. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Click here if you'd like to see my review of another beautiful Raquel Welch style on my way.